You all right there, Frank?
I'm just fine.
Dude, you might want to fasten your seatbelt.
Oh, no.
What?
Autopilot off! I have the controls. Autopilot off. You have the controls. All right, right. What?
Stall.
We've lost power.
Stall.
Restarting 1. Restarting 2. Altimeter reading 650.
Oh, my God.
Give me more power. I can pull us out of this. You're gonna rip us apart. Do it.
Come on. Come on.
Is that a runway? Massive instrument failure. We're putting her down. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is the Jira 316. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Low flaps. Gear down. Airspeed 190. Coming in too steep.